16 fragrant flowers that transform your garden. The secret to a truly magical garden isn't just about what you see, it's about what you breathe. Most gardeners focus entirely on colors and shapes, but the most unforgettable gardens engage all your senses. Standing among flowers that release natural perfumes creates an experience that photographs simply cannot capture. These living aromatherapy plants communicate with nature, attract essential pollinators, and turn ordinary outdoor spaces into sanctuaries of peace. Welcome back to Golden Age Gardening. I'm William Scott, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this aromatic journey. If you appreciate gardens that smell as incredible as they look, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we're covering today. And if you find value in this content, show some love with a like and share this with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Throughout this exploration, we'll discover 16 remarkable flowering plants renowned for their captivating fragrances. These aren't just decorative additions, they're natural mood enhancers, stress relievers, and conversation starters. From delicate romantic scents to bold tropical aromas, each plant brings its own personality to your garden. Some release their perfume in morning light, others save their magic for twilight hours. Together, they create a symphony of natural fragrance that changes throughout the day and season.
Plant number 1, Jasmine. Starting our collection with Jasmine, a small white flower that packs extraordinary aromatic power. These delicate blooms carry a gentle yet unmistakable fragrance that many cultures associate with purity and tranquility. Throughout Southeast Asia, jasmine holds sacred significance in traditional ceremonies and spiritual practices. Beyond its cultural importance, jasmine serves a practical purpose in nature. Its scent acts as a powerful attractant for pollinating insects. Thriving in tropical climates, jasmine demands regular watering and abundant sunshine. Place it near windows, doorways, or outdoor seating areas to maximize enjoyment. The plant releases its strongest fragrance during afternoon and evening hours, filling the air with calming sweetness. The benefits extend beyond simple aesthetics. Jasmine's essential oils contain compounds that reduce stress, quiet racing thoughts, and enhance emotional well-being. Herbal tea made from jasmine flowers has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine. Growing jasmine near your relaxation spaces creates a natural aromatherapy environment. When evening breezes carry that signature scent through open windows, your entire home transforms into a peaceful retreat.
Plant number 2, orange jessamine, often called forest jasmine. Orange jessamine produces a fragrance remarkably similar to true jasmine, but with sharper, more invigorating notes. This versatile shrub displays small white flowers against glossy green foliage and blooms almost continuously throughout the year. The consistent flowering makes it valuable for maintaining constant fragrance in your garden. Beyond its aromatic qualities, orange jessamine excels as a natural hedge. Its dense growth pattern and ease of pruning make it perfect for creating structured borders. Each flowering period fills surrounding areas with a crisp, clean scent that refreshes rather than overwhelms. Traditional medicine practitioners have utilized orange jessamine for generations. The leaves and bark contain compounds believed to alleviate pain, improve circulation, and promote healthy skin. With minimal maintenance requirements and moderate sun exposure, orange jessamine flourishes in most tropical gardens. This combination of beauty, fragrance, and medicinal value makes it an exceptionally practical choice. You're not just planting decoration, you're adding a multifunctional botanical that serves health, aesthetics, and olfactory pleasure simultaneously. And before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, do me a favor and drop a comment below telling me which fragrant flower currently grows in your garden. And if you haven't already, smash that like button and share this video with someone who loves gardening as much as you do. Plant number 3, Gardenia. Gardenia, sometimes called plate flower, commands attention with thick, pure white petals and intoxicating sweet fragrance. The scent profile resembles a blend of jasmine and vanilla, soft yet penetrating. These plants prefer warm climates with high humidity, making them ideal for tropical landscapes. Dark, shiny leaves provide striking contrast to the elegant blooms, creating a luxurious visual and aromatic experience. Symbolically, Gardenia represents pure love and peaceful existence. Essential oil derived from gardenia flowers helps calm restless minds and improve sleep quality. However, gardenias require attentive care. They're sensitive to weather fluctuations and soil moisture extremes. Consistent watering and protection from harsh conditions are essential. The effort proves worthwhile when gardenias reach full bloom. A single healthy plant produces enough fragrance to perfume an entire outdoor living area. The scent carries remarkable distance on gentle breezes, announcing the plant's presence before you even see it.
Plant number 4, Ylang-Ylang. Ylang-Ylang delivers exotic, powerful fragrances, often described as the essence of tropical paradise. These trees grow impressively tall, with branches laden with distinctive greenish-yellow flowers. The scent is so uniquely appealing that high-end perfume manufacturers worldwide use Ylang-Ylang as a primary ingredient in luxury fragrances. In traditional Southeast Asian culture, Ylang-Ylang symbolizes inner peace and spiritual balance. Growing Ylang-Ylang doesn't just beautify your property, it creates an atmosphere of natural tranquility. The fragrance intensifies during late afternoon as temperatures drop and air circulation increases. Beyond perfumery, Ylang-Ylang essential oil plays important roles in relaxation therapy. Its compounds effectively reduce stress hormones and elevate mood. For gardeners seeking both aromatic impact and emotional benefits, Ylang-Ylang represents an exceptional choice. Your outdoor space becomes a therapeutic environment that calms the spirit.
Plant number 5, Night-Blooming Cereus. Night-Blooming Cereus, known locally as Wijaya Kusuma, presents one of nature's most mysterious botanical performances. These flowers open exclusively after sunset, making each bloom a special event. When they do open, a gentle, soothing fragrance fills the darkness. Various regions attribute mystical significance to this flower, with folklore suggesting its appearance brings good fortune and nobility. Despite its exotic reputation, Night-Blooming Cereus adapts well to tropical conditions. As an epiphytic cactus, it requires minimal watering, just shade and good air circulation. The blooms typically last only one night, but that single evening delivers an unforgettable aromatic experience. For gardeners wanting something truly distinctive, Night-Blooming Cereus offers uniqueness, fragrance, and symbolic meaning. The anticipation of waiting for blooms, then experiencing their brief but intense fragrance creates memorable connections with your garden. Plant number 6, Lavender. Lavender ranks among the world's most recognized calming fragrances. Its characteristic scent, fresh, soft, slightly herbal, has made it synonymous with relaxation. Originally from Mediterranean regions, lavender thrives in locations with full sun exposure and excellent drainage. The purple flower spikes create visually stunning displays while releasing therapeutic aromatics. Functionally, lavender serves as a natural insect repellent, particularly effective against mosquitoes. The plant's essential oils can be harvested for soap making, aromatherapy candles, and herbal teas. Growing lavender in containers or garden beds adds both beauty and refreshing scent. Every breeze carries that characteristic calming aroma that quiets anxious thoughts. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you. Help Golden Age Gardening grow by subscribing if you haven't already. It's completely free and helps me create more content like this. Hit that share button too and spread the gardening love.
Plant number 7, Tuberose. Tuberose produces strong, captivating fragrance that perfume makers treasure globally. Uniquely, these flowers release their most powerful scent after darkness falls. Tall stems display pristine white flowers arranged in vertical rows, creating elegant architectural interest. The visual presentation matches the sophisticated aromatic profile. Beyond fragrance and beauty, tuberose symbolizes purity and serenity. These plants flourish in tropical climates, preferring loose, fertile soil and adequate light. When planted in areas that receive evening breezes, tuberose fragrance drifts gently through outdoor spaces, establishing romantic, peaceful ambiance. Perfect for enhancing evening relaxation areas where you unwind after long days. Plant number 8, Plumeria. Plumeria evokes tropical tranquility and spiritual calm. These flowers combine sweet, gentle fragrance with beautifully elegant petal formations. While commonly found in cemetery plantings throughout Indonesia, Plumeria actually carries positive symbolism, representing eternal love and sincere hearts. In Balinese culture, Plumeria holds deep spiritual significance. while Hawaiian tradition celebrates it as a symbol of pure beauty and affection. Plumeria demonstrates remarkable heat and drought tolerance, thriving in direct sunlight. These trees bloom throughout the year, making them ideal for maintaining constant garden fragrance. The gentle, soothing aroma intensifies during morning and evening hours, creating impressions of peace and tranquility throughout your property. Plant number 9, Rose. Roses, the undisputed queens of flowers, embody beauty and fragrance in perfect harmony. Different rose varieties offer distinct aromatic profiles, some soft and sweet, others fresh with fruity undertones. Beyond their stunning layered petals, roses carry profound symbolic meanings: love, grace, and timelessness. This combination explains their enduring popularity in gardens and special occasions. Rose cultivation requires full sun exposure and consistent watering. Regular pruning encourages abundant fragrant blooms throughout growing seasons. Classic rose fragrance appears in countless perfumes, soaps, and essential oils. Growing roses at home creates naturally romantic atmospheres, elegant, aromatic, and perpetually enchanting. Plant number 10, Peony. Peonies present magnificent, dramatic blooms with multiple layers of large petals and sweet, delicate fragrance. While more common in temperate climates, peonies can succeed in cooler Indonesian highland regions with specialized care. These flowers symbolize prosperity, happiness, and genuine love. A single stem captures attention through sheer beauty and aromatic appeal. As cut flowers, peonies demonstrate exceptional longevity. Their calming fragrance suits both garden settings and indoor arrangements. The substantial blooms come in diverse colors: white, pink, purple, always commanding attention. For gardeners desiring elegant, gently fragrant additions, peonies deliver perfection.
Plant number 11, Carnation. Carnations feature distinctive layered petals and subtle but characteristic fragrance. The scent offers mild sweetness with calming spice notes, making carnations popular as both cut flowers and garden specimens. Their post-harvest longevity makes them favorites for arrangements and event decorations. Color variety, red, white, pink, purple, adds visual excitement to garden spaces. Interestingly, carnation colors carry specific meanings. Red represents love, white signifies purity, pink expresses gratitude. These plants prefer sunny locations and soil that's not overly moist. Beyond visual enhancement, carnations provide light, fresh fragrance that makes surrounding air feel warmer and more welcoming. Plant number 12, Blanca lilies. Blanca lilies epitomize luxury and elegance. Large, pristine white petals release strong, sophisticated fragrance. Among lily varieties, Blanca ranks among the most aromatic, sweet, soft, with honey-like undertones. Their impressive appearance makes them standard choices for celebrations, weddings, and classical garden designs. Spiritually and symbolically, Blanca lilies represent purity, grace, and new beginnings. They flourish with adequate sunlight and moist, well-draining soil. When fully bloomed, a single planting suffices to perfume entire garden areas with gentle, refined fragrance reminiscent of serene European flower gardens. Drop a comment right now and let me know which of these flowers you'd most like to grow. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Golden Age Gardening for more amazing gardening content. Plant number 13, 4 o'clock flowers. 4 o'clock flowers earn their name through unique blooming behavior, opening exclusively during afternoon and evening hours. The gentle, sweet fragrance becomes most noticeable as sunlight fades. Flower colors vary widely: yellow, white, purple, even bicolored petals, creating cheerful, attractive displays. Remarkably easy to maintain, 4 o'clock flowers suit hot and humid tropical conditions perfectly. They tolerate drought and thrive with basic care, sufficient sunlight, and loose soil. When afternoon blooming begins, fragrance fills the air, establishing relaxed, calming atmospheres ideal for evening outdoor activities. Plant number 14, white spider lily. White spider lilies present tropical elegance with long, pure white petals and fresh, clean fragrance. The scent is lighter than jasmine or orange jasmine, but remains distinctive and calming. These plants commonly grow in coastal areas or tropical-style gardens due to excellent heat and humidity tolerance. Long, ribbon-like green leaves add exotic, natural visual interest. In various cultures, white spider lilies symbolize purity and new life. Typically blooming in morning hours, they release fresh fragrance immediately noticeable when breezes blow. Planted along pathways or pond edges, white spider lilies provide gentle, elegant, aromatic touches. Plant number 15,
Rangoon Creeper. Rangoon Creeper produces extraordinarily captivating fragrance with an equally stunning appearance. Flowers grow in clusters showing color gradations from white through pink to red, creating beautiful contrast against green foliage. Morning fragrance intensifies towards evening, making surrounding air feel fresher and more romantic. As a fast-growing climbing plant, Rangoon Creeper beautifully decorates fences, pergolas, or house walls. Beyond aesthetic value, it demonstrates excellent heat tolerance and easy tropical maintenance. When flowers bloom simultaneously, fragrance can fill entire yards, delivering a naturally calming ambiance reminiscent of countryside tropical gardens.
Plant number 16, white plumbago, often called mini gem-piring or pinwheel flower, earns recognition for gentle, long-lasting fragrance. The flowers resemble small white pinwheels, symbolizing simplicity and tranquility. Fragrance remains light but consistent, typically noticeable from morning through late afternoon, keeping garden atmospheres fresh and refreshing. These plants grow easily in tropical regions, preferring full sun and functioning excellently as attractive living hedges. Glossy green leaves contrast beautifully with graceful white petals. Beyond beautifying properties, white plumbago creates neat, calming impressions, suitable for both natural and modern minimalist garden styles. The elegant fragrance makes it a favorite among flower enthusiasts wanting naturally aromatic homes without complicated maintenance. There you have it, 16 examples of distinctively fragrant flowers we've explored together. Each plant possesses unique ways of captivating us. Some enchant through colors, others capture attention through gentle, natural aromas. All deliver characteristic tropical beauty that not only pleases eyes, but also calms spirits. By planting one or several of these flower varieties, you're not merely creating beautiful yards, you're establishing peaceful, fresh environments filled with positive energy daily. These living perfumes work continuously, changing throughout days and seasons, always offering something wonderful to experience. So, from these 16 aromatic flowers we've discussed, which do you already grow or which most appeals to you for your garden? Write your thoughts in the comments section. And please don't forget to give this video a like, share it with fellow gardening friends, and subscribe to Golden Age Gardening for more fascinating content about the botanical world. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Happy gardening, and until next time, this is William Scott from Golden Age Gardening, wishing you fragrant gardens and peaceful days ahead.